Welcome everyone to this edition of Current Connect. Today, we'll talk about National Human Rights Commission. To restructure the National Human Rights Commission, Parliament has recently passed the Protection of Human Rights Amendment Bill 2019. Let us see what is the connect. Some provisions of the Protection of Human Rights Amendment Bill 2019 are: composition of NHRC. Chairperson will be either Chief Justice of Supreme Court or Judge of a Supreme Court. Earlier, it must be a retired Chief Justice of India. 3 members having knowledge of human rights to be member of NHRC, of which 1 would be a woman. Earlier, it had only 2 members with special knowledge on human rights. Chairpersons of various commissions such as National Commission for Scheduled Castes, National Commission for Scheduled Tribes, and National Commission for Women are members of the NHRC. The bill provides for including the chairpersons of National Commission for Backward Classes, the National Commission for the Protection of Child Rights, and the Chief Commissioner for Persons with Disabilities as members of the NHRC. Term of office. The Act states that the chairperson and members of the NHRC and SHRC, which is State Human Rights Commission, will hold office for 5 years or till the age of 70, whichever is earlier. The bill reduces the term of office to 3 years or till the age of 70 years, whichever is earlier. Further, the Act allows for the reappointment of members of NHRC and HSRCs for a period of 5 years. The bill removes the 5-year limit for reappointment. Let us see how is the connect. Some issues with the current organizational setup. The order of NHRC are not binding, and the Act does not penalize the authorities for not implementing its orders. If more than a year is lapsed from the date of incident, the Commission is not powered to investigate the cases. Investigation of charges of violation of human rights by the armed forces is restricted to seeking a report from government without being allowed to summon witnesses. Bureaucratic style of functioning, as most of the members are drawn internally from other government wings or departments, so strict hierarchies are maintained. Probable solution to address our problems are: government should enforce decision of the Commission. This will help Commission save time in reminding the government time and again and approaching High Court and get entangled in the long judicial process. Large number of human rights violations do happen in areas where there is a conflict situation, so not allowing Commission to independently investigate the cases against armed forces compounds the culture of impunity.